When we are going to run software and games, suddenly an error like this appears. For example, don't worry, there's no need to be afraid and don't take it to a service center just yet. Okay, now just try following these steps. Step 1. Start your browser and type, in the search bar, Visual C++ Redistributable AIO All-in-One. Then just choose this one. It's free, from Microsoft. If a screen like this appears, just choose this one. OK, English server. Then select Download OK. Wait for the download process to complete. OK. Once downloaded, extract the file by right-clicking on the file, selecting WinRAR, and then selecting Extract here. Then install everything from the older version first in sequence. OK. If everything has been installed, please restart Windows first.